But Meenakshi Lekhi, so far of all the statements we've seen coming from Narendra Modi, the latest one was in the interview to Reuters, where he had made that infamous analogy to a puppy who would come under the wheels of a car which someone else was driving. What has changed in the last 6 months, Meenakshi Lekhi, from that comment to today? Madhu Kishore, would you like to take that question?
I'm saying, again, this is a parroted question. Because, what is he saying?
But it's a question.
Wait, let me finish then. The answer is, very many of us will say, हमारे पाँव से चींटी भी अगर मर जाती है, तो हमें दुख होता है. What is he saying? Even if inadvertently, I'm sitting at the back of a car, inadvertently my driver were to kill a small animal, could be any animal, he perchance said puppy, I would be hurt. Wouldn't I be hurt?
No, now, Madhu Kishore,
I'm sorry, what I'm saying is, if you want to distort, you don't hear the full, it's like the...
No. There is no distortion. Let me put it this way. Mr. Modi said that all this while I have remained quiet, but I felt this searing pain inside of me.
True.
6 months ago, one assumes that searing pain would have still existed. Why didn't he express the same pain in the same language 6 months ago?
You demonized him non-stop, morning, evening and night. You have never targeted any other chief minister or any other politician in this manner, those who are actually murderers. You demonize him. Did he come and abuse you ever? Did he? He kept it because he wanted to be vindicated through courts, and there's no need emoting. You don't like honest politicians. Media likes hypocrisy.
No, that is absolutely not true. There is no agenda we have whatsoever.
Look at what he has said. Read and hear what he said during his many speeches soon after, or during Sadbhavna mission. You guys only went around laughing at his Sadbhavna mission. You should have seen the kind of response that he drew, even in a place like as
Javed Anand, the BJP says, as far as Narendra Modi is concerned, it's damned if you do, damned if you don't. All this while he was quiet because he says he had to behave like an administrator, administrate the state of Gujarat. But now that he has come out and said this, even motives are being imputed to him even for that. Javed Anand, what does Narendra Modi do if there's no way that he can satisfy his detractors, whether he says what he said today or whether he keeps quiet?
He's learned to ignore you and you don't like it. He's learned to ignore the media.
I'm sorry, I could not hear anything for the last 7 minutes except the last few sentences of Madhu Kishore. After I had spoken, I think she began to talk. I would be very interested to know if either Madhu Kishore or Ms. Lekhi have anything to say about what did Mr. Modi mean by why should we run baby producing centers. He was talking about relief camps in which, as a result of violence, 1.65 lakh people were forced to live there. Did he say this or not? Is this a matter of fact or not? Is it a matter of fact or not that he gave announced 2 lakh compensation for those who died in the Godhra tragedy and only 1 lakh for those who died thereafter? Even Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the then Prime Minister, was shocked and had to intervene. Is it not true that the relief camp was not, relief was offered till the High Court directed the Gujarat government to? Can she answer these questions, please?
Javed, you have peddled so many lies for 12 long years that nobody feels obliged to answer any of your questions. It's going to be very time soon for you to answer a lot of questions on how you fabricated evidence. You will see.
Let the viewers
We'd much rather stick to the debate and stay away from personal attacks. Meenakshi Lekhi, we're running a little short of time, so I'll leave the final word to you. Go ahead, Meenakshi Lekhi.
You see, Mr. Modi has spoken not once but repeatedly. He spoke on 28 till 2005. He was giving his briefing and indirectly interacting with the media. Throughout the right times, the law and order was maintained. Out of 25, only 7 districts were affected, and those 7 districts are the ones where BJP MLA also was not there. Whole lot of Congress MLAs and corporators were found to be involved, yet this has been made into a Congress. Congress is not culpable, but BJP is culpable.
Maulana Madhi actually wrote a letter to Sonia Gandhi, giving names of Muslim, Congress politicians who were involved in the riots.
Madhu, let me finish.
Will someone please answer my question?
Around this time, I will answer. Mr. Javed is making an incorrect statement, because when it came to rehabilitation, the best model of rehabilitation is what has been given by Gujarat government, and it is a matter of record.
This is
Assam government 300 crores 300 crores was given in 2012, out of which only 100 crore has reached, and no rehabilitation has happened per square feet of coverage area to
So
the
which is
availability
fine,
of doctors,
which is
to the
fine, but
availability of police.
someone who says
Everything
that he
has
was
been
so
done.
anguished
And even
by
in
what happened in
Sadbhavna,
2002 also
let
made
me-
a statement on the
one
10th of
Padmaja,
September
one
2002,
Padmaja,
Meenakshi Lekhi, where he said
Padmaja.
relief camps are actually child-making factories. Somehow these two
What
statements
about the
just don't
1,000 good
square up.
things he did?
Listen.
No,
You don't
did he or
answer.
did he not say that?
Listen.
He
What
may have
about
done
the
1,000 good
1,000 good
things.
things?
He may have done the 1,000 good things. Did he or did he not
saying,
say
did
that?
you do 1,000 good things? You earn the right to point
Mr.
out to
Mr.
XYZ
Anand,
only after you
Anand,
acknowledge.
Mr.
Padmaja, I have
Anand,
one question
when
from
situation
Madhuji.
was normal,
This reference to a puppy,
when
had he made
situation
this
was
for the victims of
normal,
Godhra?
when
Would that
people had been
would she have reacted the
compensated,
same manner? I
they
mean,
had
that doesn't-
vested interest
He
like
didn't
Mr.
say they are
Anand,
puppies.
who did
He
not
said, I
allow,
May I
heard
answer?
who
he
did
hurt
not
even
allow
if a
people
puppy
to
gets
May I
hurt.
answer?
Why would I not
Okay,
get hurt?
Madhukeshwar and
And
Meenakshi
that's
Lekhi,
so many
you
people.
had your say.